Hello friends, I am Arvind Pratihar in front of you with a very important topic for the salespeople and very reliable topic, that is basic sales training. But before starting this, I would like to ask you, what is the need of the training? So friends, training is required to bridge the gap between the present results and the expected results. Now the question comes, is there any need of the training for the people, those who are working in the field since years? So friends, people those who are working, already doing well, could probably be selling far more if they were trained better on the basics. Now today I will discuss with you the AIDA model of basic sales process. In this AIDA model, there are 4 letters: A, I, D, A. And it's a logical process for making decision by your customers whether they will buy or prescribe a product or not. So the first letter in AIDA is A, and A stands for attention. So very important is to grab the attention of your customer. We all know that sales calls is an interruption of something that customer is doing. So how to grab attention from your customer is very important. So there is a technique to grab attention of a customer: probing, asking questions, presenting an idea at a specific with a specified benefit, and to identify the need of the customer are different techniques to grab the attention of your customer. For example, we are having one product, Cola 2. Now for Cola 2, to grab attention, we can start with many ways. The one way could be, we can start probing with the doctors rather than detailing the product directly. We can start with, doctor, as you know that osteoarthritis comprises of so many complications: pain, inflammation, restricted mobility, and so on. So is there any one medicine which can cure all these symptoms? The answer would be no. Then you can unfold your product. So doctor, we are having a comprehensive treatment for the osteoarthritis. So by doing so, we can grab the attention from our customer. So what is important is, whenever we are selling any of our product, we can design questions, statements to attract the attention, to grab the attention of our customer. Now the second letter is I, and I stands for interest. You can create interest of your customer in 2 different ways. The first could be, if you are having a unique product, then you can explain the feature of your product, because product is unique. So this will create interest for your customer. But suppose you are selling a mediocre kind of product, a well-established product, then what to do? In that case, you can discuss your services and how your services benefit your customer, your doctors, or your patients. For example, for the well-established product, one thing could be the availability of the product at 1 arm distance. Friends, nowadays availability of the product matters a lot, and 1 arm distance availability is always liked by the doctors. your detailing, discussion, demonstrations, all three things plays an important role. Doctors are very curious. Your detailing, discussion, demonstration should be connected with the desire of the customer. Now the third letter in this AIDA module is D. D is the desire. So this is a part of the sales process. In fact, the presentation is about the desire only. So here you can explain the benefits of your product. Now we all know there are two things in selling. One is feature and second one is benefit. Now one interesting thing is seller is always interested in highlighting the features, whereas buyer is always interested in benefits. For example, there is an advertisement for the about toothpaste. मेरे toothpaste में नमक है. So this is a feature of the toothpaste. So all of a sudden one question arose, so what? So what? So means what to do? Buy this namak. So the benefit is namak is a good germicide. So we have to coordinate the feature along with the benefits. So your presentation should be like this. If you are highlighting some feature that must be associated, that must be endorsed by 2 or 3 benefits. Now our primary job is to determine the key buying features of our product which can satisfy the so what of our customers. Now the last but not least letter is A, and A stands for action. And in the whole sales process, the last point, action, is very important. And it is seen that most of the cases in the initial phase of the sales calls, people escape this. They think that today is the first call, need not to discuss, need not to ask for the commitment, need not to ask for the prescriptions. Action is taking commitment from the customer. Action is demanding from the customer. Then we call it closing in our terms. Now there is a standard terminology for the closing that we call it smart closing, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. But I will not discuss this thing today. I will discuss this on some other platform. Now what is important is never ever forget to take the commitment from a customer. Now there are ways we should break the monotony. It is seen in most of the cases. Salespeople, they demand in a monotonous way, please prescribe 2 prescriptions. Your demand should be based on whether a doctor is having such kind of patients on the routine basis or not. Suppose you are dealing with an orthopedician and you are asking for some NSI, it's okay. But if you are visiting an IVF doctor and you are asking for the product in infertility, then you must be aware of what is the probability of the patients, how many patients he treat in a week, in a month. So this is very important. So friends, it's amazing in the sales process that sometimes few people directly jump from the first A to A, sometimes they jump from A to D, but the requirement is they should follow the whole process. Now I request you, please adopt this AIDA module during your sales call. This will help you to achieve better results and you could be on the top of the sales. Best of sales. Thank you very much.